Hello, I'm Kushal.
And I'm Vidya from Excel Public School, Mysore.
Our website, DataPoint, aims to address that growing concern of e-waste. Approximately 50 million tons of e-waste is generated annually worldwide. The main reason for this is the accumulation of electronic devices in households, which are not being recycled and repurposed due to concerns over data security and privacy.
To help overcome this problem, we have developed a user-friendly website called DataPoint, which allows individuals and organizations to securely erase data from their old laptops, mobiles, and hard drives before recycling or repurposing them. DataPoint integrates data wiping tools to scan the device for data and securely erase it. The collected data is encrypted and uploaded to a cloud storage service for safekeeping.
Our website also includes a feature that allows users to maintain a report of the data that was found and securely deleted, which can be used for compliance and auditing purposes.
While using our website, the user can log in and select the device. We provide two options: to either take external software support or start the online DIY process. For example, if the user selects a Windows PC and starts external software support, he will be directed to a webpage that has various software options with brief descriptions and consumer ratings. On confirmation, a consolidated email will be sent to the service provider and the customer to go to the center for the services. Similar options are provided for Android devices and Linux-based PCs.
In case the user opts for online DIY process, they will be presented with a list of available services, along with a download option to obtain necessary software for initiating the data wiping process. In addition, our website provides step-by-step instructions on how to do the online DIY process.
We have made a website that helps users scan, segregate the needed data, encrypt, zip files, and assist with cloud services where the needed data can be stored, while also securely deleting the unwanted data.
With the help of our website, we aim to ensure that the people can erase data from their devices without hesitation, making it easier for them to resell or recycle their laptops, leading to less generation of e-waste in households and a cleaner and safer future for our environment.
In future, we will develop a standalone software that could automate the entire process and eliminate the need for users to manually download and initiate the data wiping process.
Thank you.